All right, I just got my car stuck in the snow, but I think I'm gonna be able to get it out with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I'm out here. It is snowing out here pretty good, and I've got my car stuck in some deep, thick snow, real snow, and I'm going to try to get it out with these. So let's see if they work. All right, so what I picked up are these little traction boards. They're the cheapest ones I could find, but they're also pretty small, as you can see here, and they do come in a pair, and they open up. So they kind of fold up. You've got one section here that's probably about a foot long. This next section right here is probably only about 7 inches, and then this is only like 4 inches here. So they fold up like this. I guess you can just kind of put them away. This side is a little bit thinner, has a little bit like of a ramp edge, so I'm kind of guessing that will go under the front tire. I'm just gonna stick it under here, and I'm gonna put this one on the other side. And actually, as I look at this, we have kind of like dragon scales type of thing, and they're all kind of pointed this way, so I think the tire wants to bite on them like that. And I guess what I'm realizing here is that they are reversed. So I can put this pointed edge under there if I just flip it over, and now I've got those little scales, those little barbs pointing the right way. All right, they're under there. Let's see if it works. Okay, I got the car out, but I'm kind of curious how it did it. I'm going to have to watch the replay. But what I want to say here is that I think it shot the one on the driver's side out underneath it. But it was really the traction board here on the passenger side that kind of caught and allowed me to get the car out here. So, you know, I guess you really only need one wheel spinning as long as you got that posi traction. So, hey, I guess it worked. I don't know that these are the best, but because they fold up nice and small, you can put them in your trunk, under your seat, something like that. And because they were 15 bucks, I am glad that I have them. I will definitely put a set of these in the back of probably all my cars, just in case you get weather like this, where the snow is coming down hard and you're going to be in snow everywhere. So if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.